Hey, you want some company, mister?
No.
You sure?
Hey.
What?
I don't know you. This is Downs?
Oh, no. Not you. Get away.
Hi,
Now.
I mean, hey.
Help! Help!
Hold on.
This man is bothering
Now.
me. Someone help me. Officer, help!
A mother then pulls her young son, 4 years old it turns out, onto the stage to announce that he's really a girl. But the poor child has no interest in being paraded around like his mother's show pony, so he hands the microphone back, saying that he doesn't want to do it. The mother takes it upon herself to come out on her son's behalf, informing the audience that her son, Phoenix, would, quote, like you to know that she's a girl and she prefers she and her pronouns. Completing this apparently familiar ritual, the pastor hands the child a pink flower as the congregation repeats its creepy affirmation in unison, quote, may you be well, safe, and whole. We honor you exactly as you are. Of course, that's the exact opposite of what they're really doing. This isn't even the worst scene in HBO's Transhood documentary, which is now available on their streaming platform. The film follows 4 transgender children over the course of 5 years. It's clearly meant to promote and normalize the deranged sort of child abuse just described, but any rational person who subjects themselves to the film, which I did, but I wouldn't recommend it, will come away with a number of important insights that the filmmakers did not.
Back to women that rub backs and pack lunches for hardworking men.
Call your mommy. I think you miss her. She could pack your little snack pack. Okay?
Maybe that's why you're single.
Ladies, if your boyfriend is liking or following a bunch of half-naked girls on Instagram or TikTok or any social media platform, please leave him.
Hey, this is your Instagram, right? It's really funny that you hold that opinion when, yeah. Rules for thee, not rules for me.
My brother who passed away, his wife left him when he was deathly.
As sad as this is, it's not shocking. Those marriage vows didn't mean anything. Leave a person on their deathbed and just take off and just leave. But you know what? I bet if they had substantial assets, they probably would have stuck around and had this fake crying ceremony as if I really care, but they don't. So I'm never going to be an advocate to tell people not to get married. I just can't do that. But I will tell you to be careful. I will tell you to be careful because you're living in some dangerous times and people really don't give a fuck about you. I'm never going to get married again.
Yes.
Why? What happened?
Cause nothing happened. I just got bored.
Okay. How about you?
Yes.
What happened?
I lose interest too quick.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I visited University of Florida while I was dating someone at home and I cheated on my boyfriend.
They make money, their car, their house, their energy, their motivation, waste their time, their faith, waste their time. By the time we're done, they want to kill themselves.
Have you ever cheated?
For sure. I have. Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
I
guess you could say I just want to have a meaningful relationship with someone.
You still slept with 1,000 men.
Where's the compassion in that, though?
I'm thinking about you've had 1,000 penises inside your
vagina. If you are going to be with someone, shouldn't compassion be a main factor in that relationship? And understanding of who they are, what they've been through, shouldn't that be a main factor?
The
world doesn't owe you understanding. That's entitlement. You're not entitled to someone's compassion and understanding. I think men are allowed to be selective in who they date. I think men are allowed to have standards. In general, if you poll men, would you rather have a girl that slept with 100 or slept with 1? They would pick 1. You were a hoe if you slept with 3 people 100 years ago.
Right.
You can't undo the wiring, what in general men want.
Okay, hold up. Wait a minute. City boy! How much would you pay for one night with Bad Bunny?
I wouldn't need to pay. He would pay to be with me. Yeah.
I'm not into name calling. Okay, I'm a liar. I am into name calling. And just going through some of this stuff makes me think people are stupid. Let's see how much Bad Bunny's worth. Yes, please explain to me how your broke asses. This guy's worth $18 million. What? It's girls falling out of the sky.
You are not his father. I'm sorry. From the bottom of oh, just calm down, baby. It's okay. We're all here. We're all here.
Why is nobody hugging the guy? This is how men are forced to express sadness in silence.
Simple. This is mommy. This is mama.
I could stop talking at any point in time, but they keep doing it. Shut up! Stop it! If you guys don't stop talking, castration is next. Castration is next. Castration is next.
You thought I was doing you?
Pay women less? Yes. Why don't they hire all women?
Well, that's a whole nother story.
Really?
I understand your arguments, and I understand that you're angry.
I'm not angry.
I can hear it in your voice.
I'm not angry.
Your voice.
I'm hearing my voice and I sound pretty calm.
You have now shifted the quality of your voice, and I thank you for that.
Okay.
And you've just given me a condescending look, and that's another reason why we need feminism. And now I'm done. And thank you so much.
I swear she's destined.
In the move, pop a stool like a tool for the truth, then I leave still great days. So the hate when I'm on a mission looking for a living, trying to hustle on a motherfucking trick. Think I'm on a chest in the move, pop a stool like a tool for the truth, then I leave still great days. So the hate when I'm on a mission looking for